Rules and regulation to be laid before the Parliament. Section 31. Every rules and every regulations made under the Act shall be laid as soon as may be after it made before each House of Parliament while it is in session for a total period of 30 days, which may be comprised of one session or two or more successive sessions. And if before the expiry of the session, immediately following the session, or successive section aforesaid, both houses agree to make any modification in the rules or regulation. Both houses agree that the rules and regulation should not be made. The rules and regulation shall thereafter have effect only in such modified form or be or not effect. As the case may be, so whatsoever that may be modified or annual amendment shall be without the prejudice to the validity of anything previously done under the rules and regulation.